The Nursing Assistant Program at Mountainland Technical College offers students the ability to receive hands-on training in the classroom and lab setting. Once they receive this training, they will be adequately prepared to enter the workplace. Students in the Nursing Assistant Program can expect to receive training in a variety of categories. Some include communication, safety, infection prevention, ambulation, recognizing and reporting changes to the nurse, proper body mechanics, and residence rights. In the lab, students perform skills that simulate a real patient environment. They perform skills on mannequins and each other to help them gain confidence. They then take that confidence into a direct patient care clinical experience. Once students have completed the classroom and clinical hours, they can take the state knowledge and skills exams. They will also leave MTech certified in CPR and First Aid certification. Students work with equipment in the skills lab that they will see in industry. We want students to go out confident and prepared with the things that they are using, so we put emphasis on high quality lab experience. Anyone who is 16 years of age or older can take this course. The ideal student is someone who is vested in learning, who wants to work hands-on with people, who wants to work in the healthcare setting, and is motivated to work. The healthcare industry needs good CNAs, those who are willing to work hard and advocate for their patients. Students choose the MTech Nursing Assistant Program because we have an extremely high pass rate. Students have the confidence that they need to go take the skills and knowledge exam and pass first try. The work of a CNA is in high demand both in and out of the state. Once a person is certified, they can work in a variety of healthcare settings. Some of these settings include doctors' offices, hospitals, skilled nursing facilities, home health and hospice. Basically anywhere you find a nurse working, you'll find a CNA working there too. Instructors at MTech are licensed nurses who have worked many years in direct patient care. They value the work of a CNA. They care about their students, and they want their students to find a job that they love. Whether you have experience in healthcare or are just looking into it for the first time, we welcome you into the CNA program. It's the perfect way to start your healthcare career.